In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up email from GoDaddy. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. This method works by first connecting your GoDaddy email account to Outlook and then exporting a copy of your mailbox into a backup file that you can save for future use. This is a helpful process if you want to keep an offline copy of your emails, move them to another device later, or simply protect important messages. Once Outlook is open, go to the File menu. From there, select Add Account. In this section, enter your GoDaddy email address and continue through the setup prompts to add the account to Outlook. Depending on your Outlook version, you may be asked to confirm a few settings or sign in through your email provider's login page. Just complete the setup as prompted until the account is successfully added. After the account has been added, restart Outlook. This step is important because it allows Outlook to fully load and sync the new mailbox correctly. When Outlook opens again, give it a moment if needed, especially if you have a large inbox or many folders. Let the email account finish appearing in the left-hand folder panel before moving on. Next, go back to the File menu and choose Open and Export. Then click Import/Export. This opens the Import and Export wizard, which is where Outlook gives you the option to create a backup file of your email data. In the wizard, select Export to a file, and then click Next. On the following screen, choose Outlook Data File. This file type creates a PST file, which is Outlook's standard format for storing email backups. It can include your messages and folders in a way that's easy to keep and restore later if needed. After that, choose the folder location you want to back up. Make sure you select the correct mailbox or folder, depending on what you want to save. If your goal is to back up the full email account, choose the main mailbox and confirm the selection. Finally, click Finish to begin the export. Outlook will then create the backup file and save it to the location you selected. If the mailbox is large, this may take a little time, so let the process complete without closing the program. Once it's done, you'll have a backup of your GoDaddy email stored as an Outlook data file. It's a good idea to save that file somewhere easy to find, and if the emails are important, consider storing an extra copy in a secure location. That's it. And now you know how to back up email from GoDaddy.